Welcome to Dogtown. It's a bustling, fully functioning economy where canine citizens actively trade goods, run market stalls, and keep traffic moving. Keeping a massive ecosystem like this running smoothly doesn't happen by accident. It requires a centralized financial plan managed by the mayor. In the human world, we call these centralized plans government budgets, and they're actively debated and enacted by national legislatures. A government budget is the official roadmap detailing how much money a country expects to collect and how much it plans to spend over a specific period, usually 1 year. The money flowing in is called revenue. For governments, this is primarily collected through taxes. Economists determine the health of this plan using a mathematical formula. Total government revenue minus total expenditure equals the budget balance. In year 1, the mayor collects 1,000 bones in taxes and spends 1,000 bones on services, leaving 0. This is a balanced budget. While a remainder of 0 looks mathematically ideal on a spreadsheet, real-world economies are highly unpredictable, making perfect equilibrium nearly impossible to maintain. That unpredictability hits Dogtown in year 2. A harsh winter blizzard freezes vital rivers, physically halting commerce and putting many pups out of work. Because private businesses have stopped spending, the government steps in. The first major reason governments spend money is to influence economic activity, injecting funds directly into the system to boost aggregate demand. The second reason is to reduce market failure. The mayor has to pay for essential public goods, like border guard dogs, and merit goods, like obedience schools, because private businesses will not fund them during a crisis. The third reason is to promote equity. By providing welfare and healthcare to the unemployed, the government ensures a basic standard of living for vulnerable citizens. Fulfilling these 3 massive societal needs forces the mayor to abandon the balanced budget model and plan for a significant increase in expenditures. Government spending serves as the primary macroeconomic mechanism to keep a society functioning when a crisis strikes. Going into year 2, the mayor plans to spend 1,500 bones to save the town. But due to the halted commerce, tax collection drops, bringing in only 1,000 bones in revenue. Returning to our equation, we can see the result. 1,000 in revenue minus 1,500 in expenditure equals negative 500. This exact shortfall is defined as a budget deficit. How does a government spend money it doesn't have? It borrows funds from the public by selling government bonds. As those borrowed amounts pile up year after year, they form the national debt, the total accumulated money the government owes to finance consecutive budget deficits. Running a deficit is a calculated decision to borrow against future revenues to stabilize the economy in the present. By year 3, the mayor's emergency infrastructure investments have paid off. Dogtown is experiencing a roaring, highly productive economic boom. An economic boom automatically shifts the budget math. As citizens find work and make more money, tax revenues naturally surge upward. The opposite happens on the expenditure side. Because the economy is thriving, fewer citizens rely on welfare or emergency support, causing government spending to drop. In year 3, Dogtown collects a massive 2,000 bones in revenue, while only needing to spend 1,200 bones to maintain city services. This updated equation shows 2,000 minus 1,200, leaving us with positive 800. This excess revenue is called a budget surplus. The primary macroeconomic use for a budget surplus is to pay down the national debt accumulated during the crisis years. A government budget acts as an active, fluctuating macroeconomic tool. It constantly oscillates between deficits and surpluses as a nation's needs evolve, keeping society stabilized through the cycle.